Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom? Creating a budget that actually works can help you get there. Step 1. Identify your income. Start by calculating how much money you have coming in each month. Include all sources of income, such as your salary, investments, and any side hustles. Step 2. Track your expenses. For 1 month, write down every single transaction you make, no matter how small. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments accordingly. Step 4. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your budget. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Pay off debt? Build up your emergency fund? Step 5. Create a budget plan. Based on your income, expenses, and financial goals, create a budget plan that outlines projected income and expenses for each month. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can create a budget that actually works for you. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly to stay on track. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and budgeting.